Are you a small business owner looking and searching for ways to finance your dreams? Funding a dream is not a child's play. First of all, knowing the funding options you have is not easy at all. Well, I want to assure you today that you are at the right place and at the right time, as we are about to explore 7 funding options that can help you get your business off the ground or even take it to the next level. Time is money, so let's get right into it. Hi, my name is Molen Mkuze. I'm the Managing Director of Brendmo Accountants. Just some few admin before we dig deep and soak right into it. Just hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Okay, businesses of all sizes may seek funding for various reasons. Reason number 1, starting a new business altogether. This funding is often needed to cover the cost of starting a new business, such as purchasing equipment and supplies, hiring employees, and even renting premises where your business will be operating from. Reason number 2, expanding a business. This funding can help business to grow and actually expand by enabling them to invest in the new equipment, hire additional staff, or even enter new markets. Funding reason number 3 can actually be covering operational costs. Businesses may need funding to cover their day-to-day operating costs, such as rent, utilities, their payroll costs. Reason number 4, financing a new product or a services. Business may need funding to research, develop, and launch a new product or a service altogether. Reason number 5 can purely be managing cash flow. Do you know that business may seek funding to help manage their cash flow, especially during times when their expenses are high or even revenues are low? That is to cater for seasonal changes. Number 6 can be funding for responding to a crisis. Crises do happen. Funding can help businesses respond to unexpected events such as natural disasters or the pandemic. For example, we were in COVID. This disrupted businesses. Some business actually closed. Okay, having spoken about the various reasons for funding your business, it's very important for businesses to carefully consider their funding needs and choose the right type of funding for their business goals or for their specific business goals. It may also be helpful to even consult your financial advisor, your accountants, or even your business coach to determine the best funding option for your business. Okay, before we dig deep into the options that I'm going to speak about, why don't you just hit the like button if you haven't? Obviously, subscribing will help us to reach more people and also for you not to miss on the premium content. I'm going to talk about 7 funding options. Option number 1, small business loan. One common way to fund a small business is through a small business loan. These loans are specifically designed for small businesses and can be obtained from banks, credit unions, and even online lenders. Small business loans can be secured, which means you need to provide collateral, such as your property or equipment, or they can be unsecured altogether, which means no collateral is required. To qualify for a small business loan, you may need to have a good credit score and a solid business plan. Remember, it's very important to compare loan options and actually read the fine prints to understand the terms and conditions, including the interest rates and even the repayment period. Option number 2 is crowdfunding. I love this one. And of these options, crowdfunding is like, as the name suggests, this involves raising small amounts of money from a larger number of people, typically via the internet. There are actually various crowdfunding platforms available, each obviously with their own rules and fees. Crowdfunding can be a good option for businesses that have a specific project or a product in mind and can effectively pitch their idea to potential donors. So for this to work, your pitch should be top-notch and it should be really, really good. You can use sites like Thunder Fund, Backup Bud, Give and Gain, Fund for Trees, and Uprise Africa. You just need to check the one that goes hand in hand with your business objectives and actually set up a campaign for you to raise the money. The good thing with crowdfunding is that the money that you raise does not come with a strings or rules attached to it, and you don't necessarily need to repay it. Option number 3 is grants. Grants are a potential source of funding for small businesses. These funds provided by government agencies, foundations, or other organizations to support specific projects or initiatives. Grants are often competitive and may have specific eligibility requirements, such as being a certain type of business or operating in a specific industry. It's very, very important to thoroughly research available grants and carefully follow the application processes to increase your chances of success. Government grants, for example, the South African government offers various grants to support small businesses, including the Department of Small Business Development, the DBSA grants, which provide financial and non-financial assistance to small businesses. The Black Industrial Relief Scheme and the Industrial Development Corporation, commonly known as the IDC grants, which fund projects that contribute to the development of the country's industrial base. Therefore, you have to be doing something that is according to the grantors' develop or benefit the nation. There are also sector-specific grants. These are also grants available to businesses in specific sectors, such as the Agriculture and Agro-Processing Support Scheme, which provide funding to support the development and the development of the agriculture and agro-processing sectors. And the Creative Industry Initiative Scheme as well, which provides funding to support the development of the creative industries. There are also foundation grants. Various foundations in South Africa offer grants to support small businesses, such as the Alan Gray Orbis Foundation, which provides funding and mentorship to entrepreneurs. We also have the SABC Foundation, which provides funding to support small businesses in the media, entertainment sectors. It's important to carefully research available grants and carefully follow the application processes to increase your chances of getting these grants. It may also be helpful to consult with your financial advisor or your accountant or even your business coach, like what I said, to determine the best funding options for your specific business. All the applications require good record keeping, so ensure that your accounting records are in order for you to succeed on this application. Funding option number 4 is venture capital. If your business has a high growth potential, you may be able to attract funding from venture capital firms. These firms invest in businesses in exchange for ownership or a stake in your business. To qualify for venture capital funding, you typically need to have a well-developed business plan and be able to demonstrate strong growth potential so as to give hope to the venture capital investor that have secured returns. Funding option number 4 is angel investors. Another option for businesses with high potential growth is angel investment. Angel investors are high net worth individuals who are willing to invest in businesses in exchange also for ownership or a stake in your company. Angel investors may also provide mentorship and support to the business. To find potential angel investors, you can network with other entrepreneurs and attend various events or pitch sessions specifically for angel investors. Options number 6 is personal savings. Yes, you might think, oh, that is an option as well. Yes, it is an option. Using your own savings or even your assets to fund your business can be a good option, especially if you don't qualify for other types of funding or if you want to retain your ownership or in your business. This can be especially helpful if you are just starting out and don't have a track record or established you don't actually have a good credit score. Option number 7 is partnership, and these are strategic alliances. Partnering with other businesses or organizations can provide an opportunity to share costs and resources and potentially access new markets. For example, you could form a joint venture with another business to share the cost and risk of a new project or a product altogether, or collaborate with complementary businesses to offer a bundle of products or service. It's very important to carefully negotiate the terms of any partnership or an alliance to ensure that you meet your business objectives of this. Okay, in conclusion, so you have it, 7 funding options for your small business. Whether you are just starting out or you are looking to grow, there is funding options that can help you achieve your goal. Don't be afraid to get creative and consider a mix of options to find the best fit for your business. And remember, it's not just about money, it's about finding the right partner who can help you succeed. So go out there and make your dream a reality. Thank you.